Hi guys, my name is Antonio. We will continue talking about steps. So for this video, we will talk about material. So let's go to the tutorial.
In the materials step, you can add slabs to your project. Here, you can also work with the angles, rulers, and seams tools. And in this step, you can remove them without having to go back to sketch. I'll cut some parts of my countertop to make it easier to fit as many shapes as possible on my slab. You can make cuts in any direction and in whatever size works best for you. I'll also cut my waterfall in half. Didn't like the cut or where it was made? No problem. You can use Command-Z for Mac or Control-Z for Windows to undo it, and Command-Shift-Z for Mac or Control-Shift-Z for Windows to redo it. If you prefer, you can use these shortcuts with your mouse by clicking the arrows at the top. Next to the arrows, we also have the Path tool, which you can use to move around the drawing area. You can do this by holding the spacebar and dragging with the left mouse button, or simply by using the pointer tool and dragging with your mouse. Clicking the plus icon will show two options. In Custom, you can customize a new material right from here. Just click Add New, then fill in all the information such as type, price, measurements, slab quantity, and you can also upload an image of your slab. Let's go with the inventory option. In my inventory, I already have a few materials registered, so I'll choose these two Dynasty Brown slabs for this project. These numbers on the side indicate the pieces of my countertop that are cut. Now, select the pieces you want to place on the slab. The red color indicates that one piece is overlapping another. To confirm everything is positioned correctly, your pieces should appear in blue, like I just did here. I can also fit a piece of my waterfall here on this same slab. Basically, you can fit several pieces on the same slab, or choose multiple slabs and place each piece on a different one. These pieces here already have slabs placed. There are two pieces left, one from the countertop and another from the waterfall. Make sure they're in place and done. If you need to cut your shape further to make it fit properly on the selected slab, just close this view, go back to Seams, and choose exactly where you want to make the new cuts. I'll use the 2 points option to make a crosscut. Finally, let's pick a slab and place this cut piece. I'll use one of the Dynasty Brown slabs I picked before and place it here. In the next tutorial, we'll talk about the last step. See you there, folks!
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.